Hello everyone, I am Tarun Valireddy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start a new challenge of 100 days of DevOps by the Kode Kloud. I think most of the people are know about 100 days of DevOps that is already completed in this platform, and from today onwards we are starting the new challenge of 100 days of cloud. Before you are going to start the challenge, we need to add this to your practice playgrounds. For that, we need to click on the curriculum and try to add these 100 days of cloud by AWS or the Azure, what you want to do. But first I want to start with the AWS. That's why I am added this to my playground. Actually this is 100 days of cloud challenges, but the first 50 days will be the about AWS and the other 50 days will be the Azure. So after completing the 50 days, and then 51st day will be the Azure. That also we are going to do the tasks. And let's start the first task of the day 1. I'm not only try to complete the task, I will make sure to explain the concept about the tasks in the every day. Please try to watch the video to complete the task and understand the concept what we are going to implement in the video. The first task is about simple, but it is most required task when we are creating any EC2 instance. It is simple task. We need to create a key pair that is given a name data center -kp, and that should be the type of RSA. If you see, when we want to create an EC2 instance in the AWS, we need to choose the key pair to log into the instance by using the SSH. So that is the task actually we need to perform here. Actually this is an AWS CLI installed terminal, so we don't need to interact any user interface or the UI to create the key pair. So to create the new key pair, what is the command to create the key pair? We can go to the AWS docs for the creating the key pair. By referencing this AWS docs of CLI, we can simply create the key pair. We can see go here and exactly this is the command what we want to use to complete this task. Try to copy and paste. Need to change the name. Space key type RSA. We can see we are actually created the key pair by using the type of RSA. Like this way we can create the key pair. Let's check the task. You can see we are successfully completed the task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.